Hello everyone, welcome to Sham's Kitchen again. Today we are going to cook green banana curry with prawn. Let's go and check out what we need. This is a very simple dish, so we're going to be using very less spices for this one. We're taking 2 green bananas, and then in the spices we have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, as we're going to be using lots of fresh green chilies. That's why we're not going to add more of this red chili powder. And then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then a medium-sized onion, we're going to slice it soon, and 2 teaspoons of milk powder. This is going to be kind of like white yellowish curry. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. We have taken 4 green chili, just 2 cloves of garlic, we've just sliced it, and a little bit of coriander leaves sliced as well, and oil. Let's come back after we slice the green bananas. So we have some fresh prawns already cut and ready. So this is how it looks after we have sliced all the bananas. Even though there is a green banana, it looks like it's on the way to get ripe. And here we have onion slice. So let's start the cooking now. For this cooking, after we add the oil in the pot, I like to start with the prawns. Once they get fried a bit, I'll add onions and garlic. Looks good to add the garlic now, and the onions. It looks really good. This is the right time before it gets more golden brown. We're gonna add the garlic paste and then all the spices. Time to add all other spices and salt. We'll add a little bit of water as well. Cooking for a bit in slow flame or reduced flame, just for a few minutes. This is the time to add the green bananas. Now we'll mix it up and put it in reduced flame for another few minutes. So this is how it looks after a few minutes. This is the right time to add the powder milk with the water, and we'll have to leave it for 10 minutes in reduced flame to get the green bananas cooked. The prawns are already cooked, so we're just waiting for the green bananas to cook, then the curry is going to be ready. This is how it looks after adding the milk. So we'll leave it with the lid on for 10 minutes. So this is almost cooked. The bananas are cooked. So I'm just gonna add some fresh green chili, and within a couple of minutes I'll add the coriander leaves, and this should be done. Looks beautifully done. So time to add coriander and finish up cooking. Gonna serve and show it to you now. Here you go. Ready, our green banana curry with prawn. Delicious, and please try it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.